A judge laughed at a nervous teen in court until he realized the kid was a disguised legal prodigy undercover. The courtroom buzzed with quiet laughter as a young man, barely 17 by appearance, walked nervously to the front, clutching a worn briefcase. Dressed in an ill-fitting suit, with braces still on his teeth, he looked wildly out of place in the stiff, polished atmosphere of a superior court. Judge Ronald Beckett raised an eyebrow from the bench, clearly unimpressed. "You lost, son?" he asked with a smirk, drawing chuckles from a gallery. "This isn't a school field trip." The boy straightened his back. "I'm here to represent the defendant, Your Honor," he replied respectfully. The judge scoffed. "Is this some kind of joke? Where's the real lawyer?" The teenager placed a file on the desk. "I passed the bar at 16 and was granted temporary courtroom permission as part of a special federal program for exceptional legal prodigies." The courtroom fell silent. Even the bailiff's jaw dropped. Judge Beckett leaned forward, squinting at the credentials. His face slowly changed as he realized the seal was genuine. The name Miles Jordan had already been circulating in legal circles, whispered in awe by law professors and stunned courtroom veterans. Still, Judge Beckett couldn't help but test him. "Very well," he said stiffly. "Proceed." Over the next hour, Miles dissected the prosecution's argument with surgical precision. His voice, once shaky, grew stronger with each sentence. He quoted precedent the judge himself had forgotten, exposed flaws in the opposing counsel's timeline, and cross-examined a witness so thoroughly that she contradicted her earlier testimony. By the end of the session, the courtroom that once mocked him now hung on every word. When he finished, there was a long pause before Judge Beckett cleared his throat. "Mr. Jordan, you're quite capable." Miles offered a respectful nod. "Thank you, Your Honor." After the case adjourned, favorably for the defendant, Judge Beckett pulled Miles aside. "I underestimated you," he admitted. "Badly." Miles smiled. "Happens a lot. I just let the facts speak louder than the face." Within days, the story of the teenage lawyer went viral. Legal scholars praised his brilliance, while others marveled at his humility. Judge Beckett's courtroom would never forget the day a supposed kid walked in and left with everyone's respect, including that of a very surprised judge.